Hi everyone. This is Thursday, August 22nd, and after the nice rain we had yesterday, the terrorists are back. There's one laying a fresh one down right now. Looks like they're trying to cover every square inch. And some of these lines are going in all kinds of different directions. There's a few natural clouds over there, but looks like they're trying to blend in the toxic filth, try and disguise it as part of the clouds. I hope you can see the pattern down this way. I'm going to try and expand this. I'm not very good with a camera. I go in all directions. There's even one that's curved. Hope you can see it. What a mess. Total disgusting. As usual, people driving by that just don't even bat an eye at it. Well, our sky was halfway clean for a little while yesterday, but now they've completely destroyed it. Okay, well, just giving you an update for today. And take care, everybody.